Oh God, there's going to be a shitstorm.
How do you catch viewers' attention in the first few seconds? There's going to be a shitstorm.
I bought this book there saying the first 3 seconds are the most important. Well, they are because we're mixing up your recipes. You write odd, unconventional combinations in the comments. I hope you actually eat these and aren't just attacking our stomachs and livers. Stabush read out who, what, and how.
Kubusos 88, my 2 top combinations of recent years. Sauerkraut, about 300 grams. Homemade sauerkraut with carrots, well squeezed, is best. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of Kielce mayonnaise and fresh ground pepper. Mix it together. You've never had a salad like this with fish and fries.
Wow, sauerkraut with mayo could be good.
Yes, but with Kielce mayonnaise, and I like that. That's what you've always said in your videos. To be more specific, and here you go.
Didn't you give a drink to start?
That's in the second. Number 2. Żubrówka with grass, 100 mielu, apple juice, 200 ml.
So, a 1 to 2 ratio, all right?
And 5 drops of amyl.
You must be joking.
And amyl contains 96% ethanol.
Hey, can you drink that? We'll add 10 each, 20 of apple juice, just so you know, we're not drinking alcohol, we're just testing these flavors. Unless they're good, then we'll drink them. Oh shit, 3 went in.
But there are active ingredients here too. This is pure health.
All right.
Bet.
What?
Well, because we should try żubrówka with juice and see if it's better, since amyl isn't that cheap. But good juice.
No. But it's cool how it turns coconutty.
But it smells like memories.
Oh, damn. No way, you.
There's none here, there's no juice here, there's no alcohol here.
Does it even smell at all now? Or am I just imagining things?
Like candy.
I can smell Coca-Cola here, but it does freshen your breath.
It's minty.
It's interesting, Staba. It's different.
Vodka with juice still tastes like vodka with juice, right?
Yes.
With amyl, it's like an exotic version of Jager, maybe.
1 drop, you won't use it up, at least not for 2 days. This is a hit. All right, and now listen, maybe I'm crazy, but I'm giving this a strong 8 because I love that hint of light lemon, light mint, and light herbs. That changed everything completely. Even to the point where I just had to try it, Zostaba, just like that.
But that's a good apple now.
Timbark apple mint.
This Timbark is better.
Timbark apple mint.
Without mint.
This is kind of a forest compared to that. I'm switching to 9.
I'll give 9 as well.
I give 9, you give 9, so the stuntmen have to try it. Shall we continue? Let's get back to the mayonnaise.
Just sauerkraut. To make it good, squeezed out, and 2 or 3 tablespoons of Kielce mayonnaise.
All right, squeezed out.
2-3 tablespoons mayonnaise.
If we use half, we add 1.5. What about pepper?
Yes, that's it. Just mix and you're done. Very nice.
It actually looks like it's made from celery.
It will definitely be good, but the question is it such a game changer that you'll just keep eating it, right?
You will, but it's good. It brings out a different flavor. There's almost no acidity, it's creamy, it's delicate, and this mayonnaise gives it a completely different, I can't quite describe the taste.
Kielce is a bit of a vinegar-based mayonnaise, but yeah, I actually agree. You've never had a salad like this with fish and fries. No, we haven't. It's really good.
A solid 9. No argument here, the cabbage is great, right?
France 1947. My own hangover cure. 40 milliliters of espresso. Pour it into a glass, then add fresh lemon juice on top. On top of that, you pour 20 milliliters of sugar syrup, then you add 5 to 10 drops of Tabasco. Without mixing, you drink it like a vodka shot.
That sounds like the guy has some serious experience.
Yeah, I think he tried it a few times with different proportions until he finally found the ones he thought were the best.
Chapeau bas to you, viewers. This is a hit. This is a hit. None of us would have come up with this. No artificial intelligence. No one would have put this together. All right, double espresso.
I'm already making it relax.
A slice of lemon on top.
20 milliliters of sugar syrup made with equal parts sugar and water. And finally, 5 to 10 drops of Tabasco. It doesn't smell nice. It really doesn't smell nice. And we have fresh ingredients.
Good. It went down like...
Lemon with Tabasco will probably be a new combo for me now.
Both the sugar and coffee are good. Is your mouth watering too?
It flows pleasantly, but it's like I'm just smiling and drooling at the sight of, I don't know, a new car or...
This is another episode. But I'm sorry, but I know it probably still has some stimulating properties, like when you have an espresso.
Stimulating.
You drink an espresso with sugar, and to me, that's a real treat. I can't find anything to criticize about it. Amazing. I have an insane amount of saliva in my mouth.
I'm willing to bet that after just eating a lemon, my salivary glands work less than after this combo.
Great, I can't wait to see Engineer drinking coffee. I also suggest this as our second drink. I'll call the guys
Oh, and for drinking?
for a round of drinks.
Krzysztof P8654, I've heard about a mix I don't have the courage to try, but apparently it's awesome. Jägermeister mixed with cucumber pickle brine.
Pour me a shot.
That's a nice little hole.
All right, go ahead.
1-to-1. All right.
For the viewers. Sweet, sour. What a mess. A bittersweet tragedy. And
And we were on such a good streak.
I'm dumping this gross.
Let me be clear, you were lied to.
Yeah, and big time.
I don't have the courage to try. Then just stop. You don't have to. You're welcome.
I'm not judging because that's the worst. You'll test just like we did in the episode, experiencing those sensations one by one.
This is nice, Moldy, Monty.
Minty.
Hey, that's medicine. No. I could feel my ear infection.
Yes, Flegamina?
Actually, this is ear medicine with apple juice.
Drink it all. It's not very strong. You'll feel it soon.
Amol.
I'm telling you, there's something about it.
Cotton in the ear. Hey, I actually feel refreshed, like I just had an Orbit gum.
Mix one. How do you rate it?
Just as a curiosity.
Yes! I'm not a fan of Jabrówka with grass. I know that abroad, people are really happy about it and they want it, they like it, but I always bring it as a gift.
And that's very good. Next, most importantly, you can't mix it and you have to drink it like a shot of vodka.
Claimer, we trust you.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Hard.
No.
Are you drooling?
Like he was hit with pepper spray.
Are you going to drink yours?
No.
But that went down nicely. It has to be energy. This is homemade.
I think they could sell this in a restaurant as something.
Yeah, on skis. There's so much saliva now, I honestly...
Yeah, it's really coming out of my mouth. We've eaten nearly everything, so you'll have to share.
Yes!
They've chosen a pope.
Hey, it kind of reminds me of Caesar. With Caesar, that Caesar salad.
Coleslaw.
Hey, delicious, delicious.
To the end, right? But the point is, look how simple it is.
Yeah,
Just take it out of the package, no rinsing needed.
no.
Just mix the squeezed juice with mayonnaise
Delicious.
and pepper. Do you like Jaeger?
No.
No.
That's even worse.
The smell is good. All right.
Sweetness imagined with herbs.
Wow, that lagged my brain. Hold on, let me take another sip. Hey, it's good,
We got him, Stubba.
but it bites.
When did you last drink alcohol?
Damn, on Saturday.
And is there
Monday. No, sorry, on Sunday.
even better?
No, I was countering.
What's a counter?
Well, beer, to save yourself from a hangover.
Counter!
All right, half and half. Pickle, brine, and Jaeger.
For me, a 7?
Oh dear.
No, I thought your foot was already tapping.
Will you stay with us for one recipe?
Kozak 64299. Hi guys, good fresh wheat bread or half a Kaiser roll. On top of that, baked pâté, the kind from a loaf pan, a slice about 5 millimeters thick, no more. And attention, on top, lightly spread with plum jam.
Hey, that must be delicious.
I'm going in blind. That's an 8 or 9.
I also suggest adding a thin tomato slice on top.
So, we're skipping the tomato because that's just some fancy thing, right?
Let's try it, gentlemen.
No, this is.
I'm a fan of pâté, and for me, this is a melting. It's great.
But it's good.
Tasty.
Delicious.
The sugar stands out gently from this jam.
I'm giving an honest 9 because I was looking. A 10 is reserved for me because what is this? This is some crap. No. And that's how it turned out. Here, we all suspected it would be delicious. And we weren't wrong. We ate the whole pâté on 4 sandwiches.
Sorry, on regular cheap bread.
What's the rating?
9.5.
It's a bit obvious to me. Because we said right away that it's good. So I can't give it a 10 here, even though it deserves a 10.
It deserves it.
It deserves it.
So 9 here definitely deserves it.
Sebastian.
8 for the video, right? Since we're recording and presenting this, but 10 privately. I mean, when you're alone, no camera, remove the fridge, and you can give it a 10.
I could eat half a loaf like that.
Give me the next line. This is a hit.
Victoria 6527. Big milk vanilla ice cream combined with sauerkraut.
Oh, Jesus, it is.
The kind from a bag.
It is.
Strange. But there's something else. 1 spoonful of ice cream topped with sauerkraut. Or ice cream first, then sauerkraut.
No, I think big milk with this could be...
Well, it's awesome, isn't it?
You probably overheard. I'll just stand by this idea.
All right.
You have to treat it like that mayonnaise. But you know what? I'm scared. I can already see it.
No.
That's the kind of comment like, let them eat it, they'll crap themselves. Well, that's not...
But Victoria is a girl. She can't lie.
Maybe she's pregnant.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, I'm trying now.
Something's crunchy and something.
Hey, there's no such change. Hey, it's not bad. If you imagine it might taste bad, it's actually tasty.
Mix it up and the cabbage taste goes away?
Yeah,
You need to mix it.
but you crunch it at the end.
That wasn't in the commentary, but we already know to mix it here.
When it melts, I think I'll go get seconds.
All our lives, we've been told that you eat cabbage with dinner. And someone said, today, I'm not having dinner, I'm just having dessert. And he put cabbage into ice cream. You don't taste the sourness of the cabbage, you just have ice cream and something crunchy.
Yes.
I even poured some juice on it myself, but he was right. It can't be squeezed out. There needs to be some juice.
Seriously, try it. It's delicious. Next recipe.
Wow, I'm taking the halva.
And I'm throwing it in the trash.
With a pinch of salt.
Hey, but halva with salt?
And milk with cereal is fantastic.
But halva already has salt in it.
Ta-dum-dum.
Halva has salt in it?
Hey, kind of like a pale Milky Way. He's making anchovies.
What now? I've never tried halva like this.
In the mouth. Makes no sense.
There's no wow in this, right?
Makes no sense.
But the halva is pretty average too, I'll tell you that, because I like halva. No, the salt ruins it.
No, you can't eat it like that. The salt makes it taste stronger. It just didn't work, did it?
Thank you, Average.
Oh, we're not judging. No one will eat this with that much salt.
8-6 German Shepherd. I discovered the perfect combination years ago. A small sweet bun with crumble. With liver sausage, that's it. If you're desperate, pâté works. Sprinkle the pâté lightly with... No, with raisins. That's from another world. 2 things are okay because liver sausage and crumble, but raisins are terrible. Just like in cheesecake. Borawi pork liver sausage. Let's try it. It doesn't look appealing, does it?
I'll tell you, it's like third world chocolate butter.
No, guys, this has to be good.
All right, let's pour it from the top. No need to waste tape.
All right, help yourselves, guys.
Oh, the bread got soaked in salt. That's actually good, because sweet goes well with salty.
Hey, these raisins are disappearing nicely.
It's good, the raisins didn't ruin it.
For me, it's better because I don't eat raisins. I never eat them. I don't like them. And right now I'm eating them.
See, that's the power of presentation.
But honestly, will you make this at home?
No. You know what? I noticed one thing, that when I'm standing, I don't sweat. But here, these lights are making me sweat now. 4x4. Gentlemen, I have a sure thing. 1 apple, preferably sweet. Primoge, we know which one is sweet. Couillavian.
Couillavian, yeah.
And he took a tomato.
Grate it on a coarse grater.
Greater.
I can do it. And for that, half of a medium red onion, sliced into feathers. Mix it all together and put it on a sandwich spread with white cream cheese. Delicious, I love it. Hey, that's interesting.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah, that's interesting. That's what we're here for.
Yes.
Yes.
Simple ingredients, simple ingredients.
White goes on the sandwich. Thick.
Yeah, I like it. As it's written. We're mixing, Przemek.
We'll give a spoonful each.
Come on, guys, join us. Let's try it, gentlemen. Well, let's hope it blows our minds. Hey! Wow, the only thing I'm missing is a tomato. Hey, but you know this is a breakfast bar snack, right?
The apple is very juicy. It gives a lot of juice. Somewhere in there, the onion comes through, but yeah.
But it's good, delicious. I really like it.
And give me that roll, I'm telling you.
I would put it on a roll, yeah.
How beautiful this is, gentlemen. Come over to us.
Well, the Kaiser roll is such that it resists your teeth.
That's nice.
No,
No, I don't feel this onion.
But it's super fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh.
Is there not enough onion? There's none at all.
There isn't.
Hey, it's delicious.
It works in this version, but on a bun.
Keep sending us more of these comments because they're absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, something like loba bean.
That you put in the same effort and amounts as now, since before it was.
The amount, you even specify which brand of mayonnaise. That's beautiful.
We can cook. Listen, what are you choosing as your favorite trick today?
Well, for me, it's pâté with plum jam. Today it wins.
Yes.
It wins.
I'm gonna change this for me. It's very interesting to me. It's kind of for our people, kind of internet-like.
Well, my ears stopped hurting, yeah.
But the sandwich with that jam, I know it's basic mayonnaise and all, but it worked. Delicious.
But in second place, I'll put that sandwich from a moment ago.
Yeah?
Wait, because you forgot about the cabbage with mayonnaise.
Oh.
Yes!
Hey, solid cholesterol.
Add comments. We're finishing up.
Thank you for today. See you. Bye.